So the COSA program is the Community Organizing and Social Action or Social Administration. It depends on what year you graduated, what it was. But it absolutely helped me with my career. So I was an organizer at that time, and I really didn't think about ever leading an organization or becoming an executive director, and especially not so soon after I graduated. And so the skills that I learned at the time with organizing helped me with the work that I was doing at COSA at that time. And then very shortly after that, I became the executive director at COSA. And so I remember 2 days into the job, I had a grant that was due. And I said, oh, I've never written a grant before, but yes, I have. I had a grant writing class, right? And so really thinking about what I did in that class and how I was gonna apply the grant writing skill and other skills into the work that I do. And I cannot tell you how much it prepared me exactly for what I was doing.